video. Gang. So we're gonna do like a what do you call it, like hey, what is up? It's your girl Khabirah, aka Bira Boo, and I'm back with another video, y'all. Today I am curing watery eyes, honey. I'm showing you how to stop your makeup from being watery, okay, by showing you basic makeup application techniques, honey, okay? So go ahead and get out your notepads, get out your pens, your pencils, get it all out, because I'm about to drop some gems for y'all, okay? If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that like, go ahead and comment, subscribe, okay? Go ahead and do that for me because it's for free. All right, and make sure you turn on those post notification bells to be the first one to know about these hacks, tips, and techniques to get bomb makeup application, okay, honey? All right, okay, it don't cost nothing. It don't cost nothing to subscribe, okay? I want to get to know y'all better, so leave a comment down below. Anyways, so get out your paper, pens, pencils, all that good jazz. And let's get right into the video, all right? Watery eyes, they're not cute, boo. They're not cute. I don't know about you, but every time I'm finished with a look and I got little crease marks and I got little oil residue and stuff like that. I don't like it, and I bet you don't like it either. So we're gonna address that today. So baby girl, go ahead and get your notepad, get your iPhone, just get a pen, paper, whatever you need to write so that you can take some notes, okay? Let's go ahead and get right into the video. All right, y'all, are y'all ready? Are you ready? Because we about to get right into this video, okay? Action. Today, for my base, I'm gonna use my I Am Magic, because I am magic, concealer number 10, and I'm gonna just use this to base my eyes. So my technique with my base, you know, you gotta have a strong base to start out. Just one dot, and I'm just gonna start tapping that product into my eyelid. But the key is to use as little product to minimize creasing. I'm just gonna use my Kat Von D's translucent powder, and it looks like this. And then I'm just gonna tap off all the excess. See? So now that all my excess is gone, now I'm just gonna tap that all over my lid and set my eye. Make sure your eyes are closed because you don't want any excess product to fall off, because we don't want that. That's what I do, just make sure I'm tapping in the translucent powder. Setting powder, this goes for eyeshadow, all that. So just make sure you're tapping off everything before you place it on your eye. Yeah, baby girl, we're going into this brown right here. Yep. So I'm tapping it in the brush, and then I'm just gonna tap it off. Okay, I'm just gonna tap it in first, right in my crease. All right, y'all, how she looking? Girl. And you see, I don't have any fallout, so I know I'm doing it right. But I'm loving this. Can we get like appreciation for this pigment, for this color, honey? Like, come on, brown skin girl, na pearls, best thing in the world. Anybody else? I haven't used my Aina palette in a while. Jackie. So I'm gonna go in with credit, okay? Cause you know, your girl, she just paid off her credit card debt. She ain't got no more credit card debt. Don't forget to tap. Or we could do everybody in the club getting tipsy. Everybody in the club getting tipsy. You gotta shake it off. Everybody just bounce. So now we're just gonna go ahead and place our darker shadow right on our lid, and we're just gonna place it on the lid. Look, sis, no watery eyes. Watery eyes where? Nowhere, sis. No watery eyes over here, baby girl. Okay? So what's also a really good technique for when I do my eyeshadows, I stay away from my trigger areas. I don't know if that's a real term, but sis, stay away from them areas. Okay? So my trigger areas might be the same as yours. Lower lash line. I ain't never putting none down there because I like my makeup looks and I ain't got time to be running, okay? I ain't got time for my makeup to be running. If you think you can run it, girl, I can run it.
If he ain't, let me know. Let me see if you can run it, girl, I can run it.
No, we don't want to run it over here, okay? Stay away from your waterline, okay, sis? Stay away. Stay away from the inner corners. Stay away, okay? Make sure that when you're using glitter products, okay, close your eyes. Or eye, because you can't see if you close both of them. Close your eye and place the pigment on there, sis. Do not get it inside of your tear duct, sis. Okay? You asking for problems if you do that. Because your makeup will be ruined. It will be ruined. And we don't want that. Glitter, sis. Glitter might be a trigger. Sometimes when you know, patting your glitter on your lid, sis, and some of it be falling off. You can't control that, but you can. You can control it, okay? I don't know how yet, but when I figure it out, I'll tell you. Make sure you're using your smaller brushes, okay? Be as precise as you can be, okay? So you have more control over your placement when you have smaller brushes because you can control it. You get it? You get it? I don't know what I'm talking about now. Let's do Shookington. Purple's my favorite color, so we're just gonna get shook today. We're gonna shook with Shookington right there. So I'm just gonna place that in my inner corner. Yes, it's a shimmer. And yes, I'm gonna do something I told y'all not to do, but we're gonna tap it off. I'm gonna show y'all how to finesse. You ready? Are you ready? All right, so I'm gonna close my eye, this one. Close it. And I'm just gonna place it right there. And you saw that I tapped it off. There's no fallout going into my eye. She's safe, okay? She's safe. So I'm just gonna tap it. And I'm just gonna tap it a little bit more because I like some pigment, you know? I want her to pop, okay? Shookington need to pop. So let me go ahead and do that one more again. Take your time, sis. We got all the time in the world. Look at that, she is gorgeous. She is gorgeous, honey. Alright, y'all, I'm not gonna touch my tear duct. I'm gonna bring it out. I'm gonna start placing it in the outermost part of my tear duct, okay? Like, I'm not even gonna touch it. I'm gonna just graze it, right? Boom. Period, sis. Look, hold on, let me. Do you see? Sis, I ain't even touch it. I ain't even touch it. So let me just go ahead. Baby girl. Girl, I don't know what I just did, but proceed. So baby girl, I'm just gonna squint and do it because I ain't got time for this cotton pad. So we just gonna do this. Please do not poke yourself in the eye with this. Waterproof mascara is good too. Use waterproof mascara. Do not poke yourself in the eye. So boom. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and do the lower lash, y'all, and finish this look off, okay, honey? So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and go in with credit again, and we're gonna just put that on the lower lash line, okay? And so what we're gonna do is we're going to make sure that we do not touch the waterline. So we do that by looking down and tapping the product, and take your time. Take your time. Okay, sis, so we are done, honey. So no watery eyes. My eyes are still dry. So yeah, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Leave a comment if you like this look. But let me go ahead and finish the rest of my look off camera. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I gotta put on my lashes. Do I even need lashes? Yeah, I'm gonna put on a little bit of lashes, y'all, but this is what I look like without my lashes. This is what I look like with my lashes. Surprise! I got my lashes on. Now I'm just gonna put my foundation, my, you know, face on. And I'm just gonna fast forward this because this is gonna take a few seconds. Oh, shoot. All right, y'all, this is my final look. So leave a comment down below if you like this look. If you tried my technique, please let me know how it worked out for you. Tell me, did I cure watery eyes? We'll see. So go ahead and subscribe, y'all. Y'all been coming back to see my videos, so you might as well subscribe. Okay. All right, y'all, so I love y'all and I hope you have a beautiful day. Follow me on all my social medias. All right, if y'all found this video helpful, go ahead and like, comment, and share this video, and share it to any of your friends who have watery eyes, who kind of needs this little extra help, this little technique, you know, this little secret I just dropped y'all with. Go ahead and share it to them. Post it on your social media so I can see if this technique worked for you or if it didn't work for you. Cause sis, you know, we gotta be out in these streets together, okay? I got your back and you got my back, okay? Okay. So boom. I'm done. I need some more earrings. Do y'all know a good site where I can find some real cute, like, cute earrings? Because I've been wearing these for the past 25 million days. So, but I'm gonna keep wearing them though, because my earrings ain't never lie, queen. All right, I'm ready. Let me know if I left anything out. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what I need to work on, you know, what you want me to address in my next video, because sis, I'm here for you. Okay, we gotta have each other's backs. All right? All right, y'all, if y'all like this video, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.
We ain't never finished, yeah. We ain't never finished, yeah. You got the right one at the right time. You got the right one at the right time.